On our video today, I'm going to show you how to access the Teams app on an iPad and how to use it with your students. In Okaloosa schools, we don't need to have the Teams app downloaded onto our device separately, but we can. Most students will just access it by going through ClassLink and signing in as they do regularly on any Okaloosa school device. They sign in with their ADS using their Okaloosa school email and putting in their current password. When your ClassLink opens, the students will find the icon with the red background and the white frame. That's your Office 365. And they open that up. They will see all of the apps available to them in the Office suite. The first time, they will need to go ahead and sign in again. Students will be asked if they want to stay signed in to the device. If they're sharing the device with another student sometime during the day, they should choose no. But if it's a one-to-one device, it's okay to say yes. Teams will open with a list of all of your current teams that you're either a member or an owner of on the left-hand side. When you open the caret, it will show you the different channels within the team. Tapping on a channel will open the canvas with the 3 pivot tabs at the top and a navigation bar along the bottom. Tap on Activity at the bottom to see whatever new things are happening in all of your teams. Tap on Chat to have a one-on-one or a small group discussion, much like a text discussion. You can share files and pictures and more. Then go back to Teams. Tapping on Assignments will allow you to see any assignments for any teams that you're a member of. You'll see drafts as well as assigned and those that have been returned. Tapping on the calendar icon will bring up a list of all your meetings for the next few days, and it will let you see what chats are included in those meetings, details of the meetings, and participants for those meetings. And you can join meetings from this location as well of your Outlook. When a teacher starts a meeting inside of a team, a blue ribbon appears in the Post section, and the students merely click on the button that says Join. That will take them directly into the meeting. When a meeting is over and you hang up, the blue ribbon disappears. The Call tab allows you to leave a message or initiate an audio or video call with any people in the Okaloosa County School District, including students. And if they miss your call, you can leave a message which will be transcribed as well as recorded. To start a virtual meeting inside of a team, you'll tap the camera button at the top right of the screen. On the left, choose the channel that you want to meet inside of, and then set your video and mic options and tap the Start a Meeting button. Once it connects, you can add participants one at a time, or you can add an entire classroom from your team. Control icons at the bottom of the screen will allow you to continue chats in the post, add other participants to the meeting, and even share your screen. Files, photos, PowerPoints, and videos all be shared inside of a team meeting on an iPad. There's one-touch recording as well. In addition, during meetings, students can raise their hand virtually and lower them on their own, and you can turn the cameras on or off at will. Touching the ellipses opens more options, such as starting the recording, stopping the recording, putting a call on hold. You can also dial others and use your video with a blur in the background. When you're finished with the meeting, all you need to do is touch the red hang up button, and that will end your participation in the meeting. Link to the recording will then appear about 10 minutes later in the Post section of the team, right where the meeting information is as well. Chat messages will also be included here, and you have posts, files, and more at the top of the page. pivot tabs at the top of the canvas show you the conversations and posts, any files that were shared, and then the More section gives you access both to assignments as well as the class notebook. The setting icon at the top of your Teams list allows you to choose which teams you want to display on your iPad. Finally, the plus sign next to the setting icon will allow you to create a team, browse your teams that you might want to join, and join a team with a code. I hope you feel more confident now using Teams on the iPad with your students. Thanks for watching. This has been Liz Bears with Tech Time.